controller gets here.
Y'all hear this shit, right? Y'all hear this shit, right? Y'all hear this shit, right?
Are you gonna take your ID out, or yes or no?
Y'all hear this shit?
Are you gonna
Y'all
get your
call me a nigger,
identification
right?
out, yes or no?
Call me a nigger, right?
No. He started the nigger thing because he is the dumb nigger. Yeah, I said it second, right after you. Yeah, okay. You heard it again, right? The big N-word came out of him. Are you going to take your ID out, or am I going to get the sheriff there to get it from you?
Get the fucking sheriff